There's something about digital photography that is just missing. And I blame film. It doesn't motivate me to go get ready and out of the house to shoot like film does. It doesn't fill the shoes of an analog experience. It almost feels empty to me. It doesn't give me the thrill or feeling of excitedness when waiting for the scans from the lab. There's a reason why there's been a resurgence of analog photography. Being deliberate with your shot, the mechanical feeling of the cameras, not being able to instantly see your photos is a fun hurdle. The baked-in film look from the film stock, the slow process is just captivating to me. It's something we just can't get from digital. Or can we? This is how I'm shooting digital analog. I'll be taking what I like most from film and transitioning it to digital. Step 1, uncovering my LCD. Step 2, only using the rangefinder patch. Step 3, sticking to one ISO. And finally, I'm going full manual. I'll also be using my film recipes for the baked-in film look. I did this experiment because I love the feeling I get when I shoot analog. But I don't love the feeling of spending $40 on a roll in total with developing and scanning. What I found is that you can make the process similar, which helps a lot. But at the end of the day, these are just different formats, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. You pick what suits the needs of your current project. To me, photography boils down to the process. If what and how you're shooting is actually motivating you to go out and take some pics, then that's what matters. picking up what you have and really enjoying the process of it all. For me, that's film photography, but the prices of buying and developing is too much for me. That's why I went with what I believe feels most similar to it, which is my Fuji cameras so far, and what prompted me to do this video in the first place. Please try this out and let me know what you guys think. Also, this video took me like 5 months. Just kidding, but it took me like 2 months. It was a lot, so please like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye bye.